Hi everyone. So this video is sponsored by Next Gay Thing. They sent me this lovely box here. I've never done an unboxing video before, but I'm going to try and attempt it today. So I hear they have skincare and other fun little things inside this box. So let me open it and see. Oh, my Atlanta, Georgia. Ah! So enjoy your treat. I wonder what that treat is. Oh, y'all gotta see this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, look at all those goodies. Ah. Alright, let's see. Let's see. A beard styling comb. I don't have one of those. I could use it. Let's see. A face scrub with cucumber extract. Very cute. A face mask for those pores. Let's see. Oh, and an eye serum. Helps to brighten and tone your skin while adding key nutrients, nourishment, and anti-aging benefits. Very nice. And oh, here's the underwear. You cover me with butter and call me a biscuit. So cute. It's Pump. Love Pump. Someone's trying to call me. Let me get the scissors. We gotta look at these. Oh my. They are purple. And they have a little ring pop. Ah! I'm gonna have to take some pictures in these, so you're gonna see them later on. That's Next Gay Thing. Fun little box.